Today we are making a rich, melt-in-the-mouth cashew halwa that's perfect for festivals and special occasions.
You'll need soaked cashews, ghee, sugar, milk, saffron, cardamom powder and pistachios for garnish.
Blend the soaked cashews with milk until you get a silky smooth paste. Heat ghee, add the cashew paste and cook on medium heat while stirring continuously. Now add sugar, saffron and cardamom. Keep stirring until the halwa turns glossy.
Continue cooking for another 6 to 8 minutes until the saffron cashew halwa turns glossy, begins leaving the sides. Finish it with chopped pistachios, sliced almonds, a few saffron strands and edible silver leaf for a beautiful festive touch.
Day. Rich, creamy and packed with the goodness of cashews, this delicious cashew halwa is ready to serve. Enjoy it warm.